you know, um, which is pretty much, I started doing Misa Espiritual, which is like a spiritual thing where you have to let spirits into your body and all this stuff. I had seen one, and then all of a sudden I was partaking in another one, and she goes, "No, you're doing it." I said, "What? Me? What do you mean you're doing it? I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I've never done anything like that." She goes, "No, you're doing it." So as soon as I sat, it was that it was. This is the thing is about when you find your home, you find your passion. See, my medicine is really Madrecita Ayahuasca. And what she has really done for me and how she works through me is being able to speak with her, through her, for her, with her, be one with her, bring her energy, bring her awareness, and awaken that awareness inside of each one of us. You know what I mean?
Yeah. My ears started ringing when you said that.
It reminded me of growing up in Colorado. There were a lot of different shamans and groups of Native American people that my friends would bring me to, and it was very close to the stuff that they were doing. So I think I'd ask where you had learned it, since I think you might have learned it there.
No. What happens is that when you tap into that as what they call a hollow bone, to be able to be a portal, to allow different ancestors and different things to go through, because there's so much, you understand? So it may look like, I've seen that before in the Native American tradition, or that's a Shipibo tradition, this is Shipibo code. And there's Inca here, there's Hinduism here. So what it is just being a hollow bone. When you're really a hollow bone, you end up, see, it's telling you I'm telling you the truth. Listen, it says.
Oh, I just wanted to say that, I've had the privilege of working with Shaman Aya for a little while, but I had a bad weekend. I've heard about a lot of people's weeks, and we've all been kind of going through it, and yet you still got here tonight. And I just experienced, that intenseness that she's sharing brings it all up. It does. It just brings it all up. And my heart was beating, and I'm like, what am I going to do with this? What am I going to do with this? Until you finally just let go of a breath, and it's just gone. Like she takes it, and now I'm feeling the most calm that I've felt it all week. Let me tell you, in this moment. So even though it sounds so loud and screaming, and it's pushing it out of us, and letting us let go. So thank you.
Well, that intense, like da 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 da. You know why? I'm led by spirit to do that, because what I see is I always have my eyes closed, because I am in a movie. You know what I mean? I am in this Icaros that I'm singing, in between the lines of everything. Do you understand that? So when I start that, what I do is that at that point, energetically, I'm tied to each one of you. And I see your points, your weak points. That point, that's a trigger. And I start messing with it. Until you're like, no! You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
It's like what I was telling you, it's like Thai yoga or bone bending. What happens is you put so much pressure on it that it has to surrender to the pressure. It can't go any other way. It has to relax. So that's the point where I think they're very fast. And with music, and music, you guys know music, what it does. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so where is Amy?
Annie.
Oh.
So I have two options. I'm gonna ask for actually a consensus. But this takes either your help or your help. No, okay, I'm gonna ask you guys a question. So I can do two different things here to kind of like, because I feel like we're all just like in a little baby cocoon that, it just feels so nice and cozy. So, we can do a lot of Shiva energy here at the end. And if we do Shiva energy, what I would like for all of us to do is like in a group consensus, because all of us have to be participant in this, because Shiva energy is liberation. So that means that one of us can't be off in the left field, all figgity fucked up. Do you like that? We have to get back into, we all have to be in it together, in the group. Okay? So that's going to take the consensus to allow yourself to be loved, to give love, to allow yourself to be loved, to give love. And this is Shiva energy, the liberation of right or wrong. I don't give a shit. You know, I am going to love you anyways. And I think that if we can do that with each other, even if it is for like 2 minutes, oh my God, what it does to you. Beautiful compassion that we feel for one another. We get back in line for one split second of like, oh, that's why that feels good. I'm supposed to do more of that. Okay. So yeah, that version, which sounded pretty, did you all feel like we almost already did it, right? Yeah. Right.
That's enjoy.
Okay.
That's a good option. What's next?
Okay, the next one is I don't know, we've got some great spiritual people here that have some great gifts. And I don't know, I want us to like, would you all be willing, what do you like? Do you like the rev up of energy? Okay, because I think that that's very potent when we can rev up energy together. And what we're doing is when we're revving up this energy, it is we're shaking, moving, ba, 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 because we're awakening. We're uncomfortable. It's so fucking, it's so fast. Uncomfortable. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Because what's going to happen is you're going to be like, okay, when you surrender, think of this. Every time you surrender, you always have the best experience you've ever had. Yes or no?
Yes.
Whether it's a great orgasm, surrender to a great orgasm, a great spiritual experience, surrender to nature, surrender to the presence of many things. It's usually amazing, right? So that's why we're going to do that. I really want to do that. I want to rev up the energy, but I'm going to have some assistance this time. Do we have any kind of like individual shakers and shit?
I knew I should have brought mine and I didn't.
You brought your what now?
We didn't bring any.
I think I sold all the rest.
No.
We don't have
Okay.
any instruments.
So, let's see.
We can clap.
No.
Yeah.
Gio.
You're like, what?
Sorry.
Yeah. Vamos a hacer aquí. Wait a second. Let me work this thing energetically real quick, because what I wanted to do is I think that I always feel a little bit different. Anyway, you understand? But now we really want to rev up the energy, because again, it's like we have to move, we have to just like let go of the fear. You know, I think that everybody that is here, we're being challenged. You know, and we're answering the call. Some way, somehow, we kind of feel like we should be doing something. And you're doing it. You're right here. You're here now. And this is the answer to a lot of things that you guys have been praying for. Right? Those things that you're waiting on something. They take an energetic shift for them to happen. Right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rev up the energy, because we're gonna release a lot of stuff, but at this point then we're tuning in to that we want. To that we want. Okay? So make sure Because the universe has a funny sense of humor.
Mm.
Make sure that you know what you're asking for.
Very specific.
¿Sí o no? ¿Sí o no? Okey-dokey, smoking. I know you guys are all so freaking relaxed. Do you feel that the future in here? I feel so like warm. Can I just say off the bat, since everybody's listening, that thank you so much for you guys. Amazing.
Yes.
I love you guys so much. Thank you. I love it. I love seeing you spread very nice. Thank you to all of you. Thank you to all of you. And this one over here, forget about it. I was like, I just be hungry. Thank you.
They're just reflections of
I like literally, I was like, look at those snakes. That's all I could think. Look at that snake over there.
the snakes come out when you're around.
No, yeah. Let's go.
Yes.
All right. So I don't have a lot of rattles, and I'm not taking my booties. Who wants this?